So guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how to swap or to sell GXT to USDT on their exchange. So this is their exchange. If you don't have the exchange, I will drop the link in the description of this video. So click on this, register, and make sure that you verify your account. So if I click on this place now, you see that my account is verified. If I click on this menu, so let me tap on it. So you see verify. So make sure that your account is verified. If it's not verified, you cannot do anything on this exchange. You understand? So exchange means that you can deposit any coin, you understand, any USDT, then you sell it. It's an exchange. So this particular coin is an exchange app. It's an exchange app and it's going to be listed tomorrow, which is Friday. So I'm just doing this video in case of, if you don't know, if you are new to crypto and you don't know how to sell the coin to USDT, because I will advise you immediately the coin is listed, make sure that you sell it to USDT, because the price is going to drop drastically, because there are going to be many people that want to sell that coin tomorrow, and as they are selling it, the price will reduce. So we are just praying that they should listed it from $0.2 above. So that's what we pray for. So if you go and lose guard, don't let people dump it on you. So just position yourself. So if you have your GXT coin on your exchange, you don't need any gas fee. You understand? Just make sure that you verify your account, and once you verify your account, then you can send your GXT to your exchange. That means if you want to use exchange, you understand? So once you verify, this is the home page. You can see this is the home page of the exchange. You can see the current rate now is that's the pre-sale price. You can see the pre-sale price is 0.2. This is GXT. The pre-sale price is 0.2 for now. So tomorrow we don't know. It can be 0.2, it can be more than that, and it can be lesser. You understand? So now if you want to exchange, you come to this trade. Let me go back. You come to this trade. This trade at the middle. So click on it. So once you click on it, it's going to be like, if you don't have GXT on your own, probably you have another coin showing, you can just simple click on this place. Because me, I've put my own. Just click on this arrow, any coin that you see here, just click on this, tap on it, you understand? Then why this thing is doing nonsense. So once you tap on it, you can search for it, any coin that you want to swap, any coin that you want to sell, any coin that you want to buy. Just click on that search, then you click on GXT, any coin that you want to buy. You can see it. So we have GXT USDT and we have GXT BNB. That means that if you click on this GXT BNB, that means that once you sell, it's going to sell to BNB. You understand? And when you want to buy, you use BNB to buy. And this is GXT USDT. That means that if you sell the GXT, it's going to sell to USDT. So you are going to be the one to choose. Either you want to sell to BNB or you want to sell to USDT. So for me, I will just click on, I don't know why it's going back, GXT. So I will just click GXT/USDT because I want to sell to dollar. I want to sell to USDT. So you can see the countdown. You can see the countdown here. We have 1 day. So you can see the countdown. We have 1 day, 7 hours, 10 minutes, and 12 seconds. So 1 day left, which is tomorrow, Friday, around 7 o'clock. I think it's the morning. Yeah, 7 o'clock in the morning. Wow. So tomorrow we are going to be listed. You can see the countdown. So this price that you are seeing is just asking price. So don't think that this is the price they will list it to, but it's between the range of 0.2 to 0.6. So that's the range. You understand? Once it go live, the price can be like this or it can be dropped, but just expect that it's from a 0.2 upward. 0.2 upward. So it can now be 0.2 or a 0.3 or a 0.4, anyone. So once it go live, and you have your GXT in your exchange, all what you just need to do, if you want to sell everything, like you want to sell all, just click on this sell. You know that this thing is on the buy, click on sell. So once you tap on sell, you click on sell, you understand. So the price is going to be here. The once it go live, you see the live price. This price is going to be here, you understand. And you put the quality of what how many you want to sell. But if you want to sell everything, you don't want to remain. If you want to say, just drag this box, drag it to the end. That means that you want to sell everything that you have, you understand. So and your GXT is going to be here, you can see. So once you drag it to display, it's going to give you the total amount is going to be in USDT, you understand. It's going to be the total amount is going to be in USD. You will see the amount in USDT here. If you want to sell 5k, you will see it there. So you just draw it, just tap on this place, you can see. So it will be, everything will be blue. You just tap it in. Then once you do like that, then the price is going to show in USDT at the down. But for me, I don't have the GXT on my exchange. I'm selling from my wallet, so I'm going to make I'm going to make a video on how to sell it on your wallet. So this is just the step on how to sell it on your exchange. So you just draw it, then you click on buy, then you click on sell, you understand. Once you draw it like that, you now click on this sell at the down. So you now click on this sell at the down. So make sure that you put it on market, don't put it at limit. I made a mistake. So if you want to sell it, first of all, tap on this place, let it shift to markets. I don't know why it's going back. Let it shift to market. You can see I'm on the market like this. That means that it should sell immediately. You click on sell. Don't do a mistake to put it on limits. Put it on market. So once you put it on market, that's the first thing that you should do. Put it on market. Click on sell. Then you put it on market. Then you draw it to the end. Then you click on sell at the down. So it's going to sell immediately. You click on this sell, then it's going to sell immediately. Then you can now go back to your wallet. You can go back to your assets, this one. Then you come back to this place. So once you click on it, you see the value in USDT. So you will see your money under this USDT. So from there you can withdraw it or exchange it to Naira, you understand. So you can sell it to Naira once you have it in your USDT. So it's going to be here, you're going to see it here. Then you can sell it to Naira or any of your currency. So that's just the simple step on how to sell. That's how to sell any coin on the exchange. So on how to sell it on wallet, I'm going to make that video now. So this is wallet. So to sell on wallet, you need BNB for gas fee. So you can buy $2 BNB worth of BNB or $3 worth of or $5 worth of BNB, you understand. It is just for gas fee. So that's how to sell on wallet. So you need to buy BNB, you understand. So you can just tap on this. So tap on it, then you click on receive. Then you copy your wallet address, send it to whoever wants to send you BNB, you understand. So when they send you BNB, that $2 worth of BNB or $5, you understand, just for gas fee, you understand. Once you have it, and this is my GS, you can see my GS, I have 55,000 GS. So tomorrow, once the price go live, I will advise you, like I said, sell immediately it's launch. I think it's going to launch around 7 a.m. tomorrow. So wake up early. So you just tap on it. Once you tap on it, you are going to see swap. You come to this swap. Make sure that you have your BNB already. You click on that swap. So once you click on swap, it's very simple. It's very simple. You don't need to stress yourself. It's very simple. So anytime you want to swap, this is the process on how to do any swapping. You understand. So the coin that you want to swap is going to be up. Let's say that you want to buy this GXT, you want to buy with BNB, or you want to buy with USDT. Anything that you want to buy with is going to be at the top, and what you want to buy is going to be at the down. So in the case of this, we want to sell our GXT. to BNB. You can set to BNB, you can set to USDT. So if you want to set to USDT, so this arrow, just tap on it so that this GXT is going to be at the top, and the one that we want to sell to is going to be at the down. So click on that arrow. You can see we have our GXT at the top. We have our GXT at the top, and we have BNB at the down. So if you want to sell to BNB, you can leave it. But if you want to sell to USDT, tap on this arrow to change. Why this thing they go? I don't know why it's going on. So tap on that BNB arrow. So you now select USDT. It is not here now. So you select this. The USDT has to be under BNB. You understand? This particular one, this USDT babe 20. That is what you should choose. Though you know that GXT is under BNB, and you are using BNB for gas fee. So the USDT that you are going to choose, it has to be under BNB, which is babe 20. You see the one I select, babe 20. Don't go and do mistake. Now wow, why this thing they go down? So I'm going to select this babe 20. You understand? But if you still want to swap to BNB, it's still the same thing. You understand? So you can swap to BNB, then send it to the exchange, or send it to whoever wants to buy it from you, or you send it to it. You understand? You can sell it. So if you want to sell to USDT, so your USDT is going to be at the down. So if you now want to sell, let's say you want to sell everything, but if you don't want to sell everything, just put the amount of GXT that you want to sell here. But if you want to sell everything, just click on mass. This 55k is going to be here. So let me do that. Wow. So let's say that you want to sell just 1,000. You want to sell 1,005. You want to sell 1,005. You understand? Just type on it. Once they launch it, the price is going to show here. You understand? Any amount that you put here, the price is going to show in USDT, but it's because it has not go live, it has not listed yet. That's the reason why nothing is showing here. So any amount that you put here is going to show the equivalent here. Then once you do that, once it show, you are going to see swap under this place. You understand? So once you click on swap, it's going to be, then it's going to swap to USDT. You are going to remove gas fee from your BNB, the BNB that you buy. So it's very simple. So now for me, if you want to say everything in your wallet, just click on mass. So you can click on mass, or you just type it 550, 55k, easy peasy, and the price is going to show under this USDT. Then you are going to click on swap. That is all. So once it's swap, your money is going to be in your USDT. You can just go back, then you see your USDT here. I did not add USDT. Let me add it. So if you want to add USDT to your wallet, just click on this manage coin, then you click on search, you click on USDT. So it's going to pop up. Then you add this USDT babe 20, which is tender. This one. This is it. You understand? This is BNB babe 20. Don't go and add this one. This one. So just click on plus sign so that it will add up. So you click on the plus sign, you can see I've won it. So if I go back now, it's going to be added to my, you can see. So once you sell, your price, your amount is going to come to this place. So you understand? So from here, you can sell to Naira. You can sell it. You can send it to the exchange, or send it to whoever wants to buy USDT from you. Or once you sell your GXT to USDT, you are free. You are free. You can sell the USDT anytime you feel like. If you like, leave them for a year, nothing go do am. Nothing go do am. So you have successful sell your GXT to your USDT. USDT mean dollar. For those of you that is new to crypto, it mean dollar. So that's just the process on how to sell from exchange and how to sell from wallet. That's the same process on how to sell any coin, on how to buy any coin. It's very simple. So it's very simple. So if you know that you got value from this video, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure that you join my WhatsApp group. Click the link under the comment of this video. I'm going to tag my WhatsApp link there. Make sure that you join. We have many things that we do in our WhatsApp group. Anything that will give us money online, that's what we do. So have a nice day, and that will be all for this video. Bye bye. See you in the next video.